Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use media inputs in Google AI Studio 2025. Media inputs are a really powerful feature because they let you bring in images, audio, or even video so the AI can analyze or generate content based on them. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google AI Studio. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the main screen, click on Create New Prompt. You'll notice that alongside the text box, there is now an option to upload media. Step 2. Choose the type of media you want to upload. You can drag and drop an image, upload an audio clip, or even attach a short video. For example, if you upload a photo, the AI can describe what is in it, edit it, or help you generate new variations. If you upload audio, it can transcribe it, translate it, or even summarize the content. Step 3. Combine text with your media input. The real power comes when you give instructions alongside your upload. For example, if you drop in a product photo, you can type, "Write a catchy product description for this image in Spanish." Or if you upload an audio interview, you can ask, "Summarize the key points and highlight 3 quotes." Step 4. Generate and refine. Once you hit submit, Google AI Studio will process both your text and media together. If the result is not exactly what you wanted, adjust your prompt by being more specific about the format, style, or details you are looking for. Bonus tip. You can stack multiple media inputs. For example, upload an image and a text document, then ask the AI to combine them. Try something like, create a social media post using this picture and the text highlights from the file. And that is it. With media inputs in Google AI Studio 2025, you can unlock a whole new level of creativity by mixing text, images, audio, and video in one seamless workflow. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what kind of media input you will be experimenting with first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.